Hello everyone, my name is Sir David and our lesson for today is parts of speech. This lesson is prepared by Teacher Joyce for grade 1 students. Okay, let's begin. First, we have noun. Nouns are represented by big black triangles. Okay, and nouns are used to name places, people, animals, things, or ideas. Okay, so some examples are butterfly, dice, pirate, ball, and girl. Next, here are some sentences that contain nouns. Can you guess which ones are the nouns? Okay, let's start with the first sentences. With the first sentence. Please give Jeremy some bread. Which ones are the nouns? We have two. Okay. First, we have Jeremy. And second, we have bread. Okay. On the second sentence, pizza is delicious. Which one is the noun? It's pizza. Okay. Okay, on the third sentence, his dog barks loudly. Which one is the noun? It's dog. Okay, let's go to the next one. Pronoun. Pronouns are represented by tall violet triangles. Pronouns are used to replace nouns or other pronouns. Some examples are this, that, it, one, she, he, these, you. So, we have here sentences that contains pronouns. Can you guess on the first one? Which one is the pronoun? Okay, she is playing with a red ball. Which one is the pronoun? It's she. Okay. On the next sentence, he likes to eat apples. Which one is the pronoun? It's he. Okay. On the third one, it is a fluffy cat. Which one is the pronoun? It's it. Okay. Let's go to the next. Article or determiner. Okay, articles are represented by small light blue triangles. Okay, a word that goes before a noun to clarify which particular example of the noun you are referring to. Okay, so it points to a noun. Okay, some examples are a, my, one, those, the, many, there, and 20. Okay, here's one example. Can you give me those bananas? So the article here is those. It usually comes before the noun. The noun is bananas. Okay, here we have a few sentences that contains articles. Okay, on the first sentence, a dog barked loudly. Which one is the article? It's a. Okay. Next, an apple is healthy to eat. Okay, which one is the article? It's an. Okay. The sun is shining brightly today. Which one is the article? It's the. Okay. Next, adjectives. Adjectives are represented by medium dark blue triangles. Okay, adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. Okay, like delicious cake. The pronoun is delicious and cake is a noun. Sparkly diamond. Sparkly is the adjective, diamond is the noun. Beautiful flower. Okay, The adjective is beautiful. It describes the flower, which is a noun. Okay? Here are a few sentences that contains adjectives. So let's start with the first one. The fluffy cat slept on the rug. How many adjectives do we have here? Okay, we have 2. Can you guess the first one? It's fluffy. Okay, how about the second one? It's soft. Okay, on the second one, we also have 2. So, she ate a delicious red apple. Which ones are the adjectives? First one is delicious because it describes the apple, which is a noun. The second one is red, which also describes the apple, which is a noun. Okay? Next, he saw a tall green tree in the park. Which ones are the adjectives? We have 2 again. First is tall. The second one is green, as it describes the tree, which is a noun. Okay, next, verb. Verbs are represented by big red circles. Okay, verbs are doing or action words. Okay, some examples are run, jump, and talk. Okay, here are a few sentences that contains verbs. Okay, the first one is the cat sleeps on the couch. Which one is the verb? It's sleeps. Okay, the second one, the bird flies high in the sky. Which one is the verb? It's flies. Okay, we play games in the park. Which one is the verb? It's play. Okay, next we have adverb. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Okay, and it's represented by a small orange circle. Okay, so some examples are she shouted loudly. Okay, how did she shout? Loudly. Okay, he ate slowly. So how did he eat? Slowly. So it describes how the action was made. Okay, here are a few sentences that contains adverbs. Okay, on the first one, the little bird sang sweetly. Which is the adverb? It's sweetly, because it describes sang. Okay, which is a verb. Okay, he arrived early for the party. Which one is the adverb? It's early, because early describes arrived, which is a verb. Okay, next, she looked everywhere for her lost toy. Which one is the adverb? It's everywhere, because the verb is looked. How did she look? Where did she look? Everywhere. Okay, so everywhere is the adverb. Next, we have preposition. Prepositions link nouns, pronouns, and phrases. Okay, prepositions are represented by a crescent, a green crescent. Okay, so some examples are the crab lives under the rock. The preposition here is under. It connects the crab leaves to the rock. Okay? The next is I will meet you at 11 o'clock. The preposition is at, because if we remove that, it will sound incomplete. I will meet you 11 o'clock. See the difference? Okay. Next, here are some sentences that contains prepositions. Okay, the cat is on the mat. Which one is the preposition? It's on. Okay, on the next one, she walked to the store. Which one is the preposition? It's to. Okay, the third one, the book is under the table. Which one is the preposition? It's under. Okay. Next is conjunction. Conjunctions are represented by pink rectangles. Okay, conjunctions link words, phrases, and clauses. Okay, here are some examples. And, for, or, so, nor, but, and yet. Here we have examples of sentences that contains conjunctions. Okay, on the first one, I like apples and bananas. Which one is the conjunction? It's and. Okay. Second, do you want to play or read a book? Which one is the conjunction? It's or. Okay. He was tired, but he kept running. Which one is the conjunction? It's but. Okay. Next, interjections. Interjections are represented by a golden keyhole. Okay? An interjection is added to convey emotion. Interjections are often followed by an exclamation mark. Okay? So, it usually invokes strong emotion. Okay? Some examples are, oh no, wow, oi, hey, gosh, hey. Okay? Here we have some sentences that contains conjunctions. Okay? So the first one is, wow, that was amazing. That was an amazing performance. The conjunction is wow. Okay? Ouch, I stubbed my toe. The conjunction is ouch. Okay? Hey, look over there. The conjunction is hey. Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Until next time.